Hi everyone! Welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install the Google app on your iPhone. It only takes a couple of minutes, so let's get started. Go ahead and open the App Store. If you don't see it on your home screen, just swipe down, type App Store into the search bar, and tap it when it appears. Tap the search icon in the bottom right corner. Search for Google and open the official Google app from the results. If this is your first time downloading it, tap Get. If you've installed it before, you'll see a cloud download icon instead. Just tap it to download the app again. Once the app is installed, tap Open. The first time you open the app, you might be asked if you'd like to receive notifications. You can allow them or choose Not Now. It's completely up to you. If you want to access all of Google's features, tap the profile icon in the top right corner and sign in with your Google account. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Google app on your iPhone and it's ready to use.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.